G'day and welcome back to another adventure. So we're out on Darwin Harbour today. To kick things off, we're going to go out in the deep big blue. We're going to try and catch a Spanish or a tuna. So pretty much all we're going to be doing there is we're going to go out and kind of look for some birds working, hopefully find a few fish pushing some bait up to the surface, and we're just going to chuck some lures at them. If we don't have any luck that way, we'll probably end up just trolling around a bit, trying to find some fish that are on the move. And then the plan is around 10:30, 11 o'clock, kind of come back into the harbour and flick for a few barra and chuck a couple of pots out while we're at it. So fingers crossed we get a feed in the esky. Should be a good one because we're out here most of the day. So we'll see how we go. Cheers. Oh. 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 Oh, I'm snagged on the lure. My one's gone ham, bro. I've got a lure in my back. Oh. I've got a lure in your back. You go. Oh, where is? You go to the right, man. I can't. Oh, I'm gone. Are you? Yeah. I can't even. Nah, I forgot the net again.
Oh, that's a good Queenie.
I can't move, man. I've got a lure in me back. There we go. Yep. Righto. Let's get the big bopper up. He's a donkey, mate.
Oh, he's got his mates with him still.
Yeah. Oh, I can't believe that lure was in my back and I lost him, man. Yes!
Yes!
Woo!
Oh.
Holy crap, man. That's ridiculous.
That's a good Queenie. That's fucking fucking happy with that, man. I'm happy with that.
Oh, that's monstrous, man.
That's fucking.
Oh. Hold him up, bro.
Yeah.
How is that?
Happy with.
That's crazy, mate.
That's the best Queenie I've caught.
That's an awesome fish.
Awesome.
Bloody oath. You. Let's get back out there.
Let's go again.
I think we're going to keep this big fella.
Yeah, we'll turn him into something.
Yeah, that's it.
All right.
Straight in the coffin. Decent, decent, decent. Woo!
Where are you?
You're all right. You just cast, man.
Sure?
Yeah. Yep. They're out the back. They're all over us. Little, not as big as your skinny, but holy crap, mate, he's peeling, bro. Look at that go. No, you're all right. You keep flicking.
Yeah, I'll just let him know where you are, so I'm not fucking.
Look at all of them busting up, man. We're going to put some hurt on this fella now. There he goes. Woo. Skinnies. Yeah, they're all over us. Oh. In the zone. Oh, why did I do this on the bait caster? It's so much harder. Yep, nah. Ooh. Boat.
Oh, how did I forget the net again? I'm actually disabled.
Yeah, I told you we had a shocking morning that's going to pay off.
Yeah. Oh.
Get another one. You got any mates with you?
Nah, definitely not as big as yours. He's not hooked by what either. No. Oh, right in front. How's this for a good queen? Thanks for coming, big fella. Going straight back. Boom. Hook up, mate.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Get the dogs. Just hooked up to another queenie on the bloody bait caster. I don't know why I do this to myself. We're going everywhere at the moment. It's definitely not as big as Alex's one, but it's still a nice fish. Oh my god, the power in these queenie, man. Righto, big fella. Nice. Tail grab. Woo! Another nice one coming in. Oh, there's the bait they're eating there. These things on a Barra combo, psycho. Anyway, see you later, buddy. He'll be right. Well, I didn't get it on film, but Alex has just hooked up to a really nice stripey. We've just decided to drop a bit of bait on some rock that we've found. And look, there's nothing wrong with that, so he's gonna come home. I'm getting chewed up. I'm on, I think. Oh, I dropped it. Nah, stripey. Red throat. Oh, not a stripey, sorry. Yeah, red throat. One of those tricky snapper, yeah.
Tricky snapper.
Yeah.
Good to go or what?
They're really good eating.
Oh.
Is he big enough?
I don't know, is there a...
There's no size limit. Your call, mate.
Fuck yeah.
Don't even think about it. In the coffin, in the coffin.
You know me, man. I'm a hungry guy to come.
Well, I'm also on, and whatever it was took me into a hole. Stripey.
Oh, you got him?
Yep.
Nice.
Big stripe energy. Nice.
Star.
Look, mate, unpopular opinion, but I do want to chase Barra today, so.
Alright.
Let's go leave some fish to hopefully find some more fish.
There we go, look at that, he's spattered.
Sweet. Perfect, mate. Zone. Well, Alex has just hooked up. We've been trolling for probably 20 minutes. Pretty keen to get a look at it. Oh well, better than nothing.
Not bad hook.
Yeah, he's decent cod. Nice little fish. Yep. That's a nice barra down there. Spot looking. I don't know how we're going to land this without a net, bro, but we've just hooked up to a nice barra. It's taken us a while, and he's just going all the way down the creek. See you, mate.
Oh.
He's legal. He's not a donkey, but he's nice. Oh, mate.
You hit that like bucket right there, didn't
Yeah, you hit it right under the boat almost. You're gonna have to grab this somehow, man. We've left the net at home, yeah.
Take a step, so.
I'm just don't want to put too much pressure on him. Oh man. Yep, you're up here, man. Please grab him, please grab him. Let him go if you have to, bro. Let him go, let him go, let him go. Just grab him by the gills under the throat there. Because I can see he's wearing through that. Yes, dude! Ooh, first Barra for 2021.
Fucking engulf that.
And I can see it like through that gill there.
Yeah, it's down here.
Oh, mate.
He's nearly worn through that.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. That's a ripper fish. He's probably, I don't know, low 60s, maybe 60 on the nose. Chuck him on this one.
Yeah. Where's your 0?
60? 61. And he's shrimp, spewing up shrimp, yeah.
Fucking heaps of it, look at that. Yeah.
Wow, burley, chuck it back. That's cool. How good is that? Definitely coming home. Ew. How long do you reckon these have been in for?
Oh, a couple of hours.
Yeah. 2 or 3 hours. Get away to the size of this cod in the pot, eh? It's pretty nice. So is that Jenny. I'd say she's legal. Give her a measure and see how far she goes. She measured 15, so she's going in the coffin. Well, last pot. Let's get him out so we can say g'day. Well, there we go. Last pot and a nice rusty buck. He's no donkey, but he's still a pretty decent crab. He's probably about 17 or so centimetres, I reckon. Definitely full. Get away to the colour on him. What a perfect end. Yew. So that's the end of this one. Pretty stoked with how the day turned out, even if we didn't get any tuna or Spanish. We caught some really nice queenies as a bit of a nice consolation prize for making the effort to get out there. And then the Barra turned it on for us this afternoon, along with a couple of crabs. We got pretty unlucky with the Barra actually. Alex hooked up to a really nice one that was bigger than my one, and ended up dropping it within a few seconds. So that's the way Barra fishing goes, I suppose. Anyway, I'll give you guys a look at all the fish we kept for the day. Turned out to be an absolutely ripper afternoon. Well, whole day actually. It was pretty much glass till about 1 PM or something like that. So it's been a bloody great day. This is where I'll leave you. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. Give yourself a slap on the back, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.